What's something people don't know about the Sony A9 III? It's not just a camera, it's a game-changer for photographers. With a jaw-dropping 24.6 MP full-frame stacked CMOS sensor and a global shutter, the Sony A9 III pushes the limits of what you can capture. Think blackout-free shooting at an insane 120 frames per second with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. But wait, there's more. We're talking a max shutter speed of 1/80,000th seconds. Yes, that's right, full flash sync at all shutter speeds. The A9 III's Beyond's XR engine powers through, offering 4K video at up to 120p and 10-bit 420 internal recording. And with a native ISO range of 250, 25,600, expandable to 125, 51,200, low light is no longer your enemy. Worried about shaky hands? Fear not, the 5-axis in-body image stabilization gives you up to 8 stops of compensation. And with 759 phase detection points, this autofocus system tracks everything, from athletes to birds, even planes. Built like a tank yet ergonomically divine, the A9 III is your reliable companion in any weather. And with connectivity options like RJ45, HDMI, Wi-Fi 5 and USB-C, you're always connected and ready to share your masterpiece. Priced at around $6,000, the Sony A9 III is an investment. But for professional sports and wildlife photographers, it's a game changer. Ready to elevate your photography? The Sony A9 III is here to make it happen.